Students, how are you? Today I'm going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is uh, willpower. This is moral science. Oh, okay. Try to understand this chapter. Already I finished from 1 to the 13 chapter. In this video I will discuss chapter 40. This is last chapter of your class. Okay, try to understand. At first, before going to start, I will discuss what is the meaning of willpower. Okay, this is the name of the chapter. Okay, power means you know very well. Will means I'm going to tell you. Will plus power. Which means willpower means what? Control. Willpower is noun. Control exerted to do something or restrain impulses. Restrain impulses. Most of our bad habits are due to laziness or lack of willpower. So, understood you have the meaning of willpower? If you have not understood, then I'm going to discuss in another way. Then you can understand it very well. It means what willpower means what? The ability to control yourself. The ability to control yourself. A strong determination. It means what? Strong determination that allows you to do something difficult. It means what? Such as to lose weight or quit smoking, etc. Okay. The willpower. The, the is willpower is emotions. The willpower is the light born of the white light of creation, but in the fact is not emotion and is represented by the color green. Willpower is in fact a mental ability rather than an emotions, and it is defined as the control of one's impulses, actions, etc. So you have understood the meaning of willpower. Now I'm going to start this chapter. Try to understand it very well. Then you can do very well in the examination. Try to understand it. So one day, a teacher gave his student some mathematics problems for homework. As soon as they saw the problems, his pupils knew that it would be difficult to solve. Okay, it means what the problem was given. There was a problem of maths. Okay, maths problem was given by the teachers given by the teachers for solving the students. Okay, after getting the students, one of the students whose name was Ramesh said to his himself, these sums are so difficult, I know I will never get them right, so there is no point in my even attempting them, and did not take a second look at them. Mohit also found the sums hard, but it was the difficult for the Ramesh and also for Mohit. The Mohit found the sums hard, but the tackled them differently. He thought to himself, these questions look difficult, but I am sure I will solve them if I work at them and hard enough. Okay, same questions was given to everybody for solving the maths problem. Okay, and each and every students took these sums in his by his own thinking how to solve the sums, and these sums was more difficult for him. Okay, he tried many ways of solving them, and in the end succeeded. When we are faced with a different task, whether in the class or outside, that we can solve it only if we make an effort. No work gets done if nothing is done about it. One cannot hope to achieve anything if one continuously says to oneist, I cannot. A person who does not even try to do a loser or a job because it looks difficult is a lazy or destructive person. Such people are the victims of negative thinking because they try to run away from their problems. They never achieve much life rise about the ordinary. It means what? Problem sums was given by the teacher to each and every students, and each and every students thought about the problem how to solve it. According to my opinion, if you are thinking how to solve the problem and if you are determining it, then definitely you can solve the problem. If you will leave it, then you cannot do it. Okay. If you want to do it, then definitely you can do it. Definitely you can solve this problem. Okay. After that, they don't have confidence, not self esteem themselves. On the other hand, people who think positively and say to themselves, I can do, I will, when they are faced with a problem, can achieve success. Can achieve success. Okay? As a result, they develop self confidence to tackle any task on matter how difficult it may seem. They are the leaders and thought beaters of today society. We know very well. So society know very well. Society respect to whom only determined people, only positive people, or positive people are respected by the societies. Determined people are respected by the societies because they they think positive and they do it. That's why they are respected by the societies. Okay. After that, the ability to do things successfully depends on your faith in yourself. You can accomplish and task you undertook if you can muster the will to do so. You should first of all examine all the angles and aspects of the problem and then mentally shock out the plan to deal with each component. You will you will often find that by breaking up a task of a problem into is many components, reduce big you can reduce big daunting tasks into several smaller and simpler ones, which may be care easier to take care of it. However, if you thought negatively like Ramesh and don't even take the first steps, you would not accomplish anything. Negative thinking and inactions are the biggest examiners of progress. You can do difficult things or overcomes a difficult stimulation only if you have a positive way of looking at it. You if you can say of yourself, I can, I must, I can will. Every time that you are faced with a task which looks daunting, you are taking the first step towards doing it successfully. And if you say this is too big things for me handle, I cannot do anything about it, I will leave it to the stars, you have already failed. Remember that the fortunes favors only the brave. Okay. If you are thinking, try to understand classic students. Okay. According to my opinion, if you are thinking that I cannot do that, I cannot do this work because I am unable to do this work, then definitely you cannot do it. If you are thinking that I will do it, anyhow. I will do it. If you are thinking positive, then definitely, class 6 students, you can do it very well without any problem. If you are thinking positive, then you will thinking good, then you will do positive. If you are thinking negative, then obviously you cannot do it, because if you are thinking positive, then there will be energy will create from your body, and it will give you confidence, and confidence uh, give you path. Okay, the things in the directions of your dreams. Okay, things in the direction of your, so go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Go confidently in the direction of dream, then definitely you can complete your dreams. Okay. After that, Babur, the first Mughal king, used to be afraid of the dark when he was a child. One child one day of his playmates challenged him to go into a dark cave. Babur was frightened, but he did not want his companion to think that he was a coward. He said to himself, "There is nothing to be afraid of in the cave. Nothing will harm me inside." He entered. He entered the cave, repeating these words to himself. Once inside the cave, he found that it was like any other place, except that it was dark. He had strengthened his resolve by positive thinking and was never afraid of the dark again. It means what? Babur, Ibrahim Lodi, Prithviraj Chauhan, Alauddin Khilji, Afzal Khan, they were great leaders, they were great people. We listened the name in our history book. One of the great person, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi also. We know very well the great fort, Panipat. Okay, Panipat fort. So one of the great man, Babur. Babur was, when Babur was child, on that time he was playing with his friends, and there was a cave. Nobody nobody can enter into nobody could enter into the cave because the cave was dark. But Babur decided to enter into the cave because he was thinking positive. He did positive. His work was positive. Okay, he did not want to prove that he was coward. He proved that he was a brave man. Okay, after entering into the cave. In this video, I have discussed till here. It means what, page number 50 till 54. In next video, I will discuss next part of the story. Thanks for watching this video, and 55. Sorry, page number 55. In next video, I will discuss next part of this story. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Don't forget to like it.